Hello, I'm Jeffrey Ham, equity analyst for Briefing.com. Today's Friday, March 14th. The stock market opened on a positive note Friday after better than expected inflationary data was announced. The tone quickly turned negative when Bear Stearns announced its liquidity had deteriorated severely and rapidly. The announcement trumped other news items of the day and induced strong selling interest. In turn, the S&P 500 finished the session more than 2% lower. Bear Stearns announced this morning it reached an agreement with JP Chase, in conjunction with the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, to receive a secured loan facility for an initial period of up to 28 days. The agreement allows Bear Stearns to access liquidity as needed and came as a result of Bear's liquidity significantly deteriorating in the last 24 hours. Notably, Bear Stearns stated it is talking with JP Chase regarding permanent financing or other alternatives. That statement has led to considerable speculation regarding the future of Bear Stearns. Bear will now report its latest quarterly earnings results on Monday. Its shares are trading at their 10-year lows. Selling interest intensified in the afternoon, but the stock market made a late attempt to pare losses in the final hour of trading. The recovery effort faded, though, with all 10 economic sectors finishing down substantially. Only the utilities sector saw a loss of less than 1%. Financials were the session's worst offender, ending more than 4% lower. Of the Dow's 30 components, only Boeing ended the day with a gain. The company's shares were upgraded from equal weight to overweight at Morgan Stanley. February CPI and core CPI were both flat. The data were better than expected, as economists called for CPI to increase 0.3% and core CPI to increase 0.2%. Year over year, CPI is up 4%, while core CPI is up 2.3% year over year. The day's bearish trading helped lift gold to an all-time non-inflation adjusted high of $1,007.30 per ounce. Treasuries also benefited, as the benchmark 10-year note finished up 23 ticks, pushing its yield lower to 3.44%. Crude closed on the NYMEX down 22 cents at $110.11 per barrel, after failing to break yesterday's all-time intraday high of $111 per barrel. Next week offers plenty for traders and investors. Market participants anxiously await the latest announcement from Bear Stearns on Monday. Tuesday, the Fed announces its monetary policy decision. Fed funds futures are currently pricing a 64% probability the Fed cuts the Fed funds rate 100 basis points to 2%. I'm Jeffrey Ham for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening.